What's up, my good people? Welcome guys, and into this video we'll be learning more how you can be able to format, that is your flash disk or hard disk, using the CMD. CMD is the most powerful tool that you can find, that is in Windows, either Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, or even Windows 8. It is the most powerful tool that can be able to accomplish so many tasks that you cannot be able to perform normally. So in case you have a spoiled flash disk and it is not working, or you are trying to connect your flash disk and you get an error that you need to format your CMD, you need to format your flash disk, you can actually use the CMD to complete that task. If you are trying to format your flash disk and the formatting is not going to completion, you can use the CMD, which is more powerful, that can help you to format that can be able to help you to format that flash disk or the hard disk. So how do you go about it? So let's just have a look. So you just need to open to search for CMD, that is on the search tab, that is CMD. Then we just need to can just run it as administrator so that we can have more admin, that is we can be able to have that is administrative access. Then we need to type, that is on the CMD, we need to type Diskpart. Actually you can find this command that is on my video description. I'll actually paste them there. So you just need to type Diskpart and you can see the commands that we get, that you can see we have been able to move, that is Windows system that to Diskpart. Then from there we need to list the disk. We need to know how many disks are connected onto this PC. So list disk, just type the command list disk and you'll get a list of disks that are connected to your PC. And you can see here we have several disks. We have disk 0 and we have disk 1. This because I only have 2 disks connected on my PC. Disk 0 is actually is my PC hard disk, the one that I have installed this operating system that you can see. So that is disk 0. Then disk 1, this is an external hard drive that I have connected to my PC. So I can go to format that. I can format that is a external hard drive. So in this case, when you are using this method, you cannot actually be able to format that is disk 0 because the operating system is installed in this disk. But if you happen to open that is CMD in the BIOS, you can actually be able to format even disk 0. But in this case, you cannot format disk 0 because the operating system is already active and running. So let's select disk 1. So you just need to type select disk 1. So in your case, in case you have multiple disks connected to your PC, you just need, after you list the disk, you just need to select if it is disk 2, select disk 2, if it is disk 3, select disk 3, then hit enter. And you can see disk 1 is now the selected disk. Then from there we need to clean disk, that is disk. We need to select to clean disk 1 because we have already selected disk 1. So you just need to type clean and click enter. And within a few seconds the process will be complete. And as you can see now, Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. Then from there we need now to create partition. So just type create partition primary, just a few, like that, create partition primary. And you can see this Diskpart succeeded in creating the partition, the specified partition. Then now we need now to format. So we just need to type format. That is like that, format fs is equals to ntfs. That is format. I don't know if the command is correct. So you just need to type format is equals to fs is equals to ntfs. It is very simple. Then it will take like just a few minutes depending on the size of your hard disk or your flash disk. that will determine how long it will take to format this, this process. After now this process is complete, you just need to type exit, and after you exit, you'll be able to, that is, relieve your flash disk from the system. Actually, this is the best method you can use to format. In case you have flash disk or hard disk that are giving you errors, you can actually fix those errors using this method, because you just need to, for all this process, you start with the, you start with the first command is just need to type a Diskpart, and when you type Diskpart, this will give you access to the list of disks connected to your PC. Then the second command should be list disk. This is because we want to see the number of disks connected to your PC and their numbers. Then from there you need to select the disk. You need to select the disk that you want to work on. In this case, I want to work on disk 1, so I just selected disk 1 because it's the disk that I want to format. Then another thing that I did after selecting disk 1, this disk 1 I want to clean it, so I just typed clean, so you don't have to select again because you have already selected disk 1. So you just need to proceed with the command clean. Then after you clean, you need to type create partition primary. After you create the partition primary, you should get this result that the Diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. After this command is done, now we need to format, that is the hard disk. So you just need to type format fs is equals to ntfs, and you'll see your PC doing something like this, running from 0. It should run from 0% to 100% complete. After it has formatted to 100% complete, you just need to type quit. You just need to type exit, and your flash disk will be relieved. Let's go to the other side. Let's go to this PC, and you can see this is my drive, and you can see currently you cannot be able to open it. This is because the formatting is currently ongoing. But after this process is complete and you type exit, everything will be after everything is complete and you type exit, the flash disk should be able to reflect on this side. And in case this flash disk has some errors, those errors will actually get fixed. So let's wait till the process is complete. I'll be back after the process is complete. And finally, the process is complete. You can see the Diskpart, the format has run from, that is 0% to 100%. It's 100% complete now, and as you can see here, this part successfully formatted the volume. Now the next thing you need to type is quit. Let's see if it will execute. No, just type exit. And the moment you just type exit, you can see initially we are in the Diskpart, and the moment you just type exit, it will switch back to normal. So let's go to the PC and see if the volume is available. And you can see now this is a volume, and you can see now you can even be able to open, that is this drive. You can be able to even paste something. I can, for example, let me go to my documents and look for something that I can copy to that drive. I can, for example, copy this that audio, can paste it here, and you see everything is good. You can see it's copying, and finally it is in the disk. So that is how simple you can be able to fix. In case you have a broken disk, in case you have a spoiled disk, you can be able to fix it using CMD by just formatting using the method that I have just given you. In case you need those codes, you can actually find there. In case you need those CMD codes, how you need to format the CMD, you can actually find them in my video description. I leave them in my video description step by step on how you can do it. That's all I have for today, guys. Goodbye.